If I studied abroad again, I would definitely pack a little bit differently. So here are my tips for incoming study abroad students. For context, I shopped a lot, which you do not have to do, and I studied in Madrid fall 2025. Bring your basics. I didn't do enough of this. You want to bring jeans you love, neutral tops, things that can be dressed up, down, and worn almost every day. Another thing I didn't do that I really ended up appreciating was I didn't bring athleisure or sweat sets, which really forces you into that elevated everyday style that they have going on there in Europe. I'd bring one of your favorite hoodies to lounge around in at home. Comfy walking shoes are absolutely a non-negotiable. You will be walking so much and your feet will get blistered if you don't have a good pair. I would recommend, if you're planning on shopping a lot, to bring shoes that you wouldn't mind leaving behind because they will get worn and dirty, so you can have more space in your suitcase coming home. Another tip would be to bring shower shoes, flip-flops for hostels if you're planning on traveling like that. You obviously can buy those there, but sometimes they're a little expensive in the more touristy locations. Bring a raincoat and one warmer coat, but don't overdo it. You can wear your warmer coat on the plane, but the flea markets are flooded with real leather at great prices. I only brought a rain jacket because I went in the fall. It didn't get cold until November. And then I thrifted a gorgeous fur coat and got leather coats at the markets. A travel backpack is huge. I'm sure you've heard of Ryanair, a super cheap but super strict airline in Europe. And those super cheap flights only come with a bag that goes underneath the seat. As an overpacker, I promise you do not need to pay extra for an above head or a checked bag if you get a good spacious backpack that fits underneath. And while you're at it, fill that with a portable charger and a European travel adapter. I got one that also switched from Europe to the UK for about the same price as all the other ones, which I found very helpful. Get a credit card with no international fees. I used the Capital One Saver one, which was awesome, super easy. But one thing I wish I did that my roommate did, which was super smart, was she got a travel card. So every hotel, excursion, and plane ticket she booked gave her so many rewards to book more. So if you're planning on traveling a lot, look into that, but do whatever's best for you. So they will have Sephora, Primer, a bunch of places to buy hair products, body lotions, stuff like that. But some of your holy grail items might not be over there or are going to be more expensive. So I would say bring your absolute favorite products and then buy the rest there that you aren't so obsessed with, like random conditioners, shampoos, and bring little travel size things just to refill when you go on your weekend trips. This is a big one that I forgot. Bring medicine. This goes for things other than medicine, but if you use something every day or if you have a favorite thing that you use when your head hurts, you're feeling a little stuffy, that does not magically change just because you're abroad. Of course, check that it is legal to bring these things because medicine is different over there. But I had a couple of doctor's visits and a hospital visit, and I had to borrow stuff from other people, like basic Advil. I got things prescribed. I looked them up. It was basic ibuprofen, but it was all behind the counter. You're going to be traveling a lot. You're going to be in small, crowded places. You're going to be having so many new experiences. You probably will get sick, and you're going to want to feel comfortable when that happens. So yeah, those are my study abroad tips. If you're studying abroad soon, do not stress on if you're packed perfectly. I didn't pack perfectly and I still had such an amazing time. Just bring those things that'll make your life easier, your basics, good shoes, and you're gonna have a great semester.